A reverse home mortgage in Orlando, Florida can get you cash without payments. Economic experts report that as housing costs have actually increased over the previous years, the amount of money that families are saving through 401k strategies and FDIC insured savings accounts has fallen. For many people approaching retirement age, that implies they might be equity rich and cash poor at the very same time. It is not uncommon today to find people living in million-dollar houses almost entirely reliant on Social Security to get by. A 1994 Advisory Council on Social Security Issues and Patterns concluded that reverse mortgages might offer an extra source of income for seniors, although at the time real estate rates were not high enough to make this a meaningful source. Well, things have changed in Orlando, Florida. What exactly is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is still a loan with your home as the security. However, it is entirely different from the sort of home loan you got when you purchased your home. These are the significant differences. Reverse mortgage lenders pay you. That's correct. You do not make a month-to-month payment with a reverse home loan. The loan provider pays you, and the loan can be set up so that you can receive money in a lump sum, you can earn money in a regular month-to-month payments, or you can demand money at the time you want it and in the amounts you desire. How much cash is available from your home? The primary determining aspects are your age, the value of your property, and the prevailing rate of interest at the time. You continue to live in your house with your reverse mortgage in Orlando, Florida. When you get down to it, remaining in your house is actually the entire function of reverse home loans. The twist is that rather than having someone else live in your house and pay you rent, you make money while you continue to live there. By the rules of the reverse mortgage, homeowners can continue to live in their house as their primary residence. You can spend any amount of time visiting your grandchildren and children, you can travel at your whim, and you can continue to spend your summers at the lake so long as your house stays your principal home. Reverse mortgages allow you to retain ownership of your house. A reverse home loan is not a sale. You keep all the rights of ownership that you had prior to the reverse home loan. You do not need the loan provider's consent to paint your home a different color or to remodel. You can put your home on the marketplace and sell it for the highest price. You can also will it to your kids. If there is a modification in ownership, such as by sale or through the death of the last surviving owner, the reverse mortgage will need to be paid off at that time. The lender would be entitled to get from the profits of the sale only the quantity you originally got from the loan provider, plus all accumulated and unsettled interest to date. Any quantity remaining after paying off the reverse home loan lender would go to you, your spouse, or to your estate. The unpaid interest on the loan increases with time with your reverse mortgage. Another method of stating this is that you control the amount of money that must be paid back by controlling the quantity of cash you originally borrowed from the lender. A reverse home mortgage is still a loan, and the cash plus interest has to be repaid at some time, typically from the sale of your home after you and your partner no longer live there. Due to the fact that the primary amount of a reverse mortgage cannot be determined until after you have vacated the home, neither can the maturity date of the loan. This can be a difficult concept to wrap your head around since it is so different from traditional home loans. By laws pertaining to reverse mortgages, borrowers can never owe more than the value of their house. This holds true for the reverse home loans sponsored by the federal government, HECM, that's Home Equity Conversion Mortgage, although it may not hold true for independently created reverse mortgage programs. The benefit of the federal program is that you, your surviving spouse, or your estate can never owe more than the value of your house. Your reverse home loan lender cannot get any payment from you, your surviving spouse, or your heirs, or from any asset other than your home. As a quick wrap-up, you do not make a regular monthly payment with a reverse home loan, a reverse home mortgage is not a sale, and you keep all the rights of ownership that you had before the reverse mortgage loan. Be sure to get the right lender or broker to ensure you get the best reverse mortgage Orlando has available. Check the links in the description below for your best lender.